Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to place an over-the-ear style hearing aid into your ear properly. For this example, I'm going to be demonstrating how to also place a retention tail in the ear. If your hearing aid does not have one of these, just ignore that final step. It won't be applicable to you. So the most conventional way to place this hearing aid is to hold it upright and to start by placing it over the top of your ear. So you place it over the top of your ear, similar to where your glasses would sit. Then we're going to go ahead and take the earpiece and place that in the ear canal. In order to do so, we're going to line it right up with our ear canal, and then we're going to press it in for depth. At this point, it's not in deep enough. You can tell because there is a gap between the wire and the side of my head. We want those to be flush. So in order to do that, we're going to press the hearing aid deeper into the ear canal. At this point, you can see the wire is nice and flush against the side of my head. That means it's in deep enough. Now, the final step, if it applies to you, is to place this extra piece, the retention tail. In order to do this, we're going to go ahead and grab the retention tail, pick it up, and fold it right into the bowl of the ear, like so, right along this curve. At this point, you may again just want to give the hearing aid a final press in the ear canal to make sure it's still in deep enough. If you have difficulty with this method of placement, there is an alternative method that people have good success with. In order to do this, you're going to hold your hearing aid upside down by the ear tip. You're going to go ahead and take that and place the ear tip right into your ear canal and then push again for depth. Then you can go ahead and grab the top part of your hearing aid and flip it right over the top of your ear. Again, you may just want to verify that the hearing aid's in all the way by giving it a final press for depth.